Hello guys, I'm making this video because many of my members and friends and traders who are joining our signals asking about the best reliable and fast logic price VPS service for Forex. Um, let us say there's too many companies offering Forex VPS over the net, and we have always to make sure that we are getting the best specifications for the VPS Forex server with the price which really we can afford. So the VPS server should be a good memory and good hard drive. You have to make sure that you are buying the disk space with SSD, because nobody is using the normal hard drive anymore. SSD is most faster and most reliable bandwidths. Some of the VPS companies are offering only 300 MB, 400 MB, 200 MB bandwidths, which is not enough for 30 days over the months, especially if you are using robots or something in your VPS. Also, the VPS for Forex should be Windows based, because Linux and some other operating systems will not support your MetaTrader installation. Same time, your VPS should give you the full control on the VPS, not like some companies who are just providing you access directly to your MT4, where you will have too much problems in the future when you are trying to install some indicators, some experts, etc. So the VPS service should be reliable, should be fast delivery and setup, and the uptime, you have to make sure that you are buying the service from the company who are stable and are able to provide you high uptime, 99% and up. Because if the uptime have problem, then if you are trading any, if you are copying any signals from signals providers, then maybe you will miss some signals, because in the same time where they are placing the order on Forex, your system is off and it will not get affected by any update or any new entry. Something else which we need to take care about it when we are buying VPS, that we have our dedicated IP address, because without having dedicated IP address, this means you are not getting your dedicated VPS zone, and same time maybe the IP address is shared, and then it's not secured at all for your system, and you will not have the real control on your VPS. Okay. And you should have also something very important, the life support from the company who are providing the VPS service for you, because many times the server is getting hang, or getting you are not able to access, and etc. And I suffer a lot from that with some VPS services, and always in such cases, it's happening. It's technically happening, and that is not a big problem with the company. But if they have live support, or they have fast response on their support team, then it's very easy to communicate with them, and in 1 minute you get your server restarted, and then everything will work again. Will go back to normal. Also, some VPS services are accepting only credit card, and I know that most of the traders online, especially for some countries who are not able to pay for some payment methods, because an example, PayPal is not working on, as what I know, in Pakistan, and also in some countries in Africa. So it's easier for you to buy your VPS services from a company who are providing many payment methods. After I make a long research and I compare the specifications for the VPS services provided for many companies, I found out that only few companies is really fitting what I was looking for specifications and for price. So let us say I found finally the company called BI VPS. they have an example, this VPS Windows for 1 core and 1.2 GB memory, 18 GB SSD, 1 GB bandwidth for only 6.99. But this one is not a Forex subscription. So let me take you to the, let us say, buy VPS now. And here I want to show you that Forex VPS is completely different. Just a moment. Okay, so available add-on. Let us go for Forex MetaTrader. So this Forex VPS, which is 9.99 monthly, it's have 1 core and 1.5 GB memory, 25 GB SSD pure, 1 terabyte transfer, 1 gigabyte of bandwidth. And the Windows Server is 2012, not 2003, not 2008. And you will have with this company instant setup and delivery. So the price is really, after I checked, too many companies who are providing $15, $20, and even some companies who are providing, they are mentioning that we are going to give you monthly $3.5, but if you go to proceed with your order, you will find that they will not allow you to order less than 1 year, so you have to pay $50 in one shot. Okay, so this is my suggestion for the people who are looking for reliable, fast Windows VPS Forex hosting. And in the coming days, I will buy one from this company live, and I will record video how to buy and how to set up your VPS with your MetaTrader 4, and how you set up your trade copier if you are buying any signals. So very soon I will publish another video. If you have any question about this segment which I'm already explaining now, you can just comment to me and ask whatever questions you want. Make sure always, as I mentioned, that you are comparing the specifications, comparing everything before you buy, and don't buy more than 1 month from any company, because you have to see if it's really comfortable for you, and after that you make the auto renewal. I want to show finally just the payment methods they are providing. So if you click order, you choose here whatever the package, and then you will find that, okay, check out. The payment methods here is PayPal, credit card, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, OKPay, and Payer, which is not available in other platforms. Okay, so this is for today, and thank you.